Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer orange chicken. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the sauce first. We need some Smucker's sweet orange marmalade. This bottle is around 12 ounces and we're going to use around 1 cup. Let's open it up and we're going to take out 1 cup. There we go, we have 1 cup. Next we'll need a half a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce. Just gonna pour out a half a cup. There we go. Next we'll need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's nicely mixed together. We're going to put this to the side. We also have here some chopped up green onions and we'll use that later. We have here some Tyson boneless chicken bites. And there's some instructions. We're going to put it in the air fryer for 390 degrees for 13 minutes. Let's open it up. Here we go. Next, we're going to pour some in. There we go. You want 1 layer on the bottom of the basket without much overlap. And as you can see, we used up most of the bag. This is what it looks like before we put it in. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 390 degrees for a total time of 13 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far. We're close to the halfway point. Just gonna toss them around. There we go. Alright, we tossed them around. And now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 13 minutes at 390 degrees. Let's take them out. Okay, wonderful. We also have here some white rice. And we're going to put the chicken on top of the rice. Next, we're going to heat up the sauce. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're going to pour the sauce in. Here we go. Stir the sauce around. Okay, the sauce is heated up. We're going to turn off the heat. Next, we're going to take the sauce and pour it on top of the chicken. We have here some chopped up green onions and we're going to sprinkle some on top. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer orange chicken. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.